Hey everyone, this is Out of the Box here. This is my first YouTube video on the channel. Essentially, I'm just going to be unboxing the Dell XPS 9710, which I just got in. Just purchased this and received it today. And there's not much on YouTube currently, so I thought it'd be great just to go through a quick unboxing experience of it. And then in a few weeks to come, do a proper review, give my thoughts on the laptop, what I like and what I don't like. So let's just get right into it. So the laptop itself comes in a big cardboard box. Very heavy actually, it's probably about 6 or 7 kilos. I'm picking it up. It is a 17-inch laptop, but now just popping it up, you can see it's just a box within a box, and there's these two tabs on the side here. If I just open it up, it pulls out the box itself, so just open it up and pull this out. So you can see here, we have the laptop, hold it properly, you can see right here. So it's in a black box with plastic wrapping, and let's just get stuck into it. So close up with the packaging, you have the XPS there, and the laptop itself here. Managed to take it out, and just bring that over here. See, looks amazing. So like I was saying, this is the top spec model. It's the Intel i9 RTX 3060 64 gigabytes of RAM. So it's top of the top. In Australia this costs about $8,600, but I got a pretty good deal online through a local sort of marketplace for 3,600 Australian, which would be about 2,700 US. So pretty good deal, but definitely still an expensive laptop. So the laptop itself has some film cover on it. Let's see if I can do a nice ASMR little pull. That's on that. Wow, this is a nice device. Might do it this way instead. See here. This is a great looking device. I'm not sure how well the camera's sort of showing it. But it looks amazing in person. It looks really, really nice. Let me get this out here. It is a heavy laptop for sure. It's probably about 2.5 kilos. I think it actually is 2.5 kilos. But yeah, taking a look at it, you can see on the left-hand side, we have the two USB-C ports and the Kensington lock. So the Kensington lock's included. And these USB-C ports, Thunderbolt 4. If I just flip around the laptop, I have the same thing on this side. We have headphone audio jack in the combo. Then we also have a full-size SD card reader, which is great for content creators, which I presume the majority of people will be buying this laptop for because of the 4K screen which is included. And then here, another two Thunderbolt ports. So you are sort of restricted in terms of connectivity with the I/O, but it's nice that they include a dongle for an expensive device. It is a big laptop. I'll turn it on, see if it's charged whatsoever. I presume it wouldn't be. But yeah, it is really, really nice. So the keyboard, the massive touchpad. Let me just quickly check if I have any issues with the touchpad, because I know Dell sometimes does. It seems pretty good, but I'll have to go through it a bit more because I know Dell has a lot of issues. But this trackpad seems great, and I'll just boot it on and we'll see how we go. The laptop's just turning on. See, it's backlit as per the usual. So this is the 4K Intel i9 64 gigabytes of RAM, 3060. So top of the top. And here it is, and this is a very bright display. Wow. It's probably not showing on camera. Actually it is. It's a bit overexposed, you can see. But it is a massive camera. But you can just see the sheer screen real estate of the laptop. But it's just insane. The Infinity Edge panel, just take a look at how thin those borders are. sums it up for this unboxing. I thought I would do a review in the next month or so after I get some more feedback and thoughts on the laptop, as obviously can't really do it when you've just unboxed it. So if you are interested in that, just let me know, drop a comment. It's probably not the best made video, but you got to start somewhere, so hope you enjoyed.